Let's bring in Congressman Khanna of California. He's a member of the newly formed Select Committee on Strategic Competition between the U.S. and the Chinese Communist Party. Congressman, we don't know how much more you know, and welcome, good to see you. We don't know how much more you know than we know. I guess I'll just start by asking you, what was the motivation initially for sending this balloon across, in your view, with China? What were they trying to do? Were they trying to figure out some nuclear arsenal that we had in Montana? Were they testing the president? Not really sure how you view that.
So it seems that they were engaged in espionage, spying. I mean, I don't think it's coincidental that the balloon is flying over Montana, where we have so many sensitive weapons, ICBMs flying over Idaho. These are very sensitive sites. Now, they can get a lot of this information from satellites, better from satellites, but it's hard to believe that these were innocent balloons, as they claim. We will know more once we collect the debris, once the investigation happens. But it's a serious matter, and we need to make it clear this is absolutely unacceptable, and it's not the first time it's happened.
Right, and people have pointed out that the CCP, they're troublemakers at times, and they push the envelope for things that they're able to do. They get caught, and they kind of express a little bit of outrage. But you think it's no more than that it's business as usual? Do you know for a fact if it was done previously and we just didn't notice it was, I don't know, too high to see? Or what do you know in terms, because there's a lot swirling around in the media about whether, you know, it happened 3 times under the previous administration and happened earlier under this administration. Do you know at this point?
Joe, just based on the public reporting, it looks like it happened a number of times before, but the China committee is going to get a full briefing from the relevant administration officials so we can get the facts. The point is, though, that this is unnecessarily escalatory for China, and they have a lot to lose. I mean, we've got a $400 billion trade deficit with China. That means we have far more leverage. They need us to buy things from them. Their economy is far more dependent on us. For them to take these kind of escalatory measures is not in their self-interest. And we need to be very, very clear that this is unacceptable.
Well, it seems like they never do things that aren't in their self-interest, which begs the question as to why would they do these things? And do you think that they thought it would go unnoticed? And it did go unnoticed for a while, and we didn't talk about it. Do you think that if it hadn't been reported in the media, do you think the Biden administration would have been content to let it go all the way across the continent and out the other side without saying anything? Do you think it was right to wait that long to shoot it down? It's hard to imagine that there wasn't some desolate area where it could have been done, where it would be easier to retrieve the remnants of it, because we may never get these out of, you know, once it fell into the cold waters of the Atlantic.
The president followed the military advisors. I mean, his instinct from the public reporting was shoot it down. He said that on Wednesday of last week. And the military, who I have great confidence in, said, let's wait till it won't hurt any American town, any American citizen. Unlike other countries, we value the dignity and life of every American citizen and every person living in this country. And I think they were prudent, and they did it over the water where the debris was collected. I think the signal to China is we will shoot it down at our own choosing whenever we want. But don't underestimate us, and we're going to listen to the military, and they would draw the exact wrong lesson if they thought this was some kind of weakness. Yeah. I do think this was different than previous balloons. I mean, we can't have a balloon traverse the entire continental United States without having consequences.